Hello and welcome to Daily English Flow. We're really happy you're here. I'm Amelia.
And I'm James. On this channel, we practice real, everyday English with simple and natural conversations.
If you enjoy learning this way, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All right, let's get started.
Okay, Amelia, small problem. I'm seriously hungry today. Like my stomach is doing drums right now.
Haha, that's a perfect sign. Then today we're talking about food, from breakfast to snacks and drinks.
Yes, and we'll keep it simple so you can use these phrases in real life, at home or in a cafe.
Exactly. Let's start with breakfast. James, are you a big breakfast person or more like just coffee?
I'm a coffee first, talk later person. Without coffee, my brain is still sleeping in bed.
Same here, but I also like something small like eggs and toast or yogurt with fruit.
Eggs and toast is such a classic combo. Sometimes I add cheese and suddenly it feels fancy.
Cheese makes everything better, and when I'm rushed, I grab a banana and say, okay, this counts.
It counts. The key word here is quick. A quick breakfast is fast, like cereal, toast, or a smoothie.
And a big breakfast is more like pancakes, bacon, eggs, maybe even some potatoes on the side.
Now you're making me hungry again. If I hear pancakes, my brain starts smiling.
Weekend breakfasts are the best because you have time. You can cook slowly and enjoy it.
Totally. On weekends, I like oatmeal with honey, plus coffee. It's simple, but it feels cozy.
Cozy is a great word. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and relaxing, like a slow morning at home.
And here's another useful phrase. I'm starving. It means you're very hungry, not actually dying.
Yes, and if you really want something, you can say, I'm craving pizza or I'm craving chocolate.
I use craving way too often. Yesterday, I was craving something sweet and I ate 2 cookies.
2 cookies is not a crime, unless they were my cookies, then we have a problem.
Noted. Okay, quick question for listeners. What do you usually eat for breakfast in your country?
Write one sentence in the comments, like, in my country, we eat bread and cheese for breakfast.
Or, I usually skip breakfast, but I drink coffee. That's honest English, and we love honest English.
And if you skip breakfast, you can say, I didn't have breakfast today, or I missed breakfast.
All right, after breakfast, we move to lunch. Amelia, do you prefer a light lunch or a full meal?
It depends, but usually light. Maybe soup, a sandwich, or a salad, because I still want energy to work.
I'm the opposite. Lunch is my main meal. I want rice, chicken, and something fresh on the side.
That sounds good, honestly. And on the side is a great phrase, like salad on the side.
Exactly. Also, if you eat very fast, you can say, I just grabbed a quick bite, like a small snack meal.
But if you sit and relax, you can say lunch is my break, because it's a pause in the day.
Yes, and lunch tastes better when you're talking with someone. Food plus conversation is the best combo.
I agree. Eating alone is fine, but eating together feels more human, like you slow down a bit.
Exactly. When I eat with someone, I notice the food more, not just the screen on my phone.
Same here. By the way, that's a useful phrase, to eat on the go, meaning you eat while walking or working.
Guilty. I eat on the go way too often, especially during busy days with work and calls.
Busy days make us choose fast food sometimes, like burgers, fries, or takeaway noodles.
True, and takeaway or takeout means food you order and eat at home, not in the restaurant.
I love saying, let's order something. It feels like a small celebration after a long day.
Yes, and when you don't want to cook, takeaway saves your mood and your energy.
Speaking of cooking, do you enjoy cooking at home or is it more like a duty for you?
Honestly, it depends on my mood. Sometimes cooking relaxes me, sometimes I just want it done.
I get that. When I cook slowly with music, it feels nice. When I'm tired, it feels like work.
Same. Simple meals help, like pasta with sauce or rice with vegetables. Easy but tasty.
Tasty is a great word. You can also say delicious or really good to keep it simple.
And if you don't like something, you can politely say, it's not really my thing.
That's much nicer than saying, I hate this food, especially if someone cooked for you.
Very important life skill. Food honesty, but with kindness.
Now let's talk about snacks. Snacks are small foods between meals, like fruit, nuts, or chips.
I snack a lot while working. My favorite snack is apples with peanut butter.
That sounds healthy and tasty. I usually snack on yogurt or dark chocolate.
Chocolate counts as a snack if the piece is small. That's my rule.
Good rule. And when you want something sweet, you can say, I have a sweet tooth.
I definitely have a sweet tooth, especially in the evening after dinner.
Evening snacks are dangerous. You sit, relax, and suddenly the snack bowl is empty.
Too real. And then you say, oops, I didn't mean to eat all of that.
That sentence is very useful in real life. Trust us.
Now, what about drinks? What do you usually drink during the day?
Mostly water and coffee, sometimes tea in the evening, especially when I want to relax.
Same here. And when it's hot, cold drinks feel amazing, like iced coffee or lemonade.
If you don't want sugar, you can say, I prefer something without sugar.
Or, can I have water, please? Simple and polite. Perfect English.
Polite English is always good English, especially when ordering food or drinks.
And don't forget please and thank you. Small words, big power.
Absolutely. Okay, James, quick question. What's one food you could eat every day?
Easy. Rice. I never get bored of it. You can change it with sauces or vegetables.
Good choice. For me, it's eggs. Boiled, fried, scrambled, I'm happy every time.
Eggs are super flexible, just like English. You change a little and it still works.
Nice comparison. And learning food vocabulary helps you talk about daily life easily.
Exactly. Food is something we all understand, so it's a perfect topic for practice.
Totally agree. When you can talk about food, you can talk with almost anyone, anywhere.
Yes, food is a safe topic. No stress, no heavy thinking, just real life and real feelings.
Let's move to dinner now. Dinner is usually the last big meal of the day.
For me, dinner is about relaxing. I don't want anything too heavy late at night.
Same. I usually eat something warm but light, like soup, vegetables, or pasta.
Pasta again. Pasta really is everywhere. But yeah, soup at night feels calm and comforting.
Comfort food is a great phrase. It means food that makes you feel good and safe.
Like when you're tired or stressed and you just want something familiar.
Exactly. For some people, it's pizza. For others, it's soup or mashed potatoes.
Or food from childhood. When I eat certain dishes, I remember my family and home.
That's beautiful. Food is not just food, it's also memories and emotions.
Wow, that sounded deep, but it's true. Food connects people.
It really does. And when people invite you for dinner, it's usually a friendly thing.
Yes, you can say, thanks for inviting me, or the food smells amazing.
Compliments are always welcome, especially when someone cooked for you.
And after eating, you can say, I'm full, or that was really good.
If you eat too much, you can joke and say, I ate too much, and laugh.
Laughing helps. Food happiness plus laughter is a great combo.
Now let's talk about eating out. Do you enjoy restaurants, James?
I do, but not every day. Restaurants are nice for special moments or meeting friends.
Same here. Eating out feels like a small event, not just a normal meal.
And when you order, you can say, I'll have the chicken, or can I get the pasta?
Very simple and very natural English. No need to overthink it.
If you don't understand the menu, you can ask, what do you recommend?
That's a great question. It also starts a small conversation with the waiter.
And if something is wrong, you can politely say, sorry, this isn't what I ordered.
Polite but clear. That's important in real-life English.
Another useful phrase is, can I get the bill, please, when you want to pay?
Or, can we split the bill if you're eating with friends?
Splitting the bill can be a sensitive topic, but the phrase is very useful.
Definitely. Now, quick fun question. Do you like trying new food or do you stay safe?
I try new food, but slowly. I'm curious, but I don't want big surprises.
That's fair. You can say, I'm open to trying new things, and it sounds positive.
And if you're not, you can say, I'm a bit picky with food.
Picky means you don't like many foods. It's a very common word.
And totally okay. Everyone has preferences. There's no right or wrong taste.
Exactly. The important thing is being comfortable and enjoying your meal.
And enjoying the conversation too, because language lives in moments like these.
That's so true. Language feels easier when you connect it to real moments, like eating and talking.
Yes, when English is part of your daily routine, it stops feeling scary and starts feeling natural.
Let's talk about habits now. Do you have any food habits that you follow every day?
I try to drink water before coffee in the morning, but honestly, coffee often wins.
That's very honest. I try to eat vegetables every day, even if it's just a small portion.
That's a good habit. You can say, I try to eat healthy, even if it's not perfect.
Exactly. Try is a friendly word. It shows effort, not pressure.
And sometimes we say, I'm trying to eat better when we want to change habits slowly.
Slow changes are more realistic. Big rules usually don't last very long.
True. Food should not be stressful. It should support your life, not control it.
That's a great point. Also, listening to your body is important.
Yes, when you're hungry, eat. When you're full, stop. Sounds simple, but not always easy.
Especially when food tastes really good. Then your brain says, just one more bite.
And that one more bite becomes 5 more bites. We all know that story.
We do, and it's okay to laugh about it. Food joy is part of life.
Speaking of joy, let's talk about favorite meals. What's your favorite dinner, Amelia?
I love homemade meals, like baked chicken with vegetables. It feels warm and real.
Homemade food really hits different from restaurant food. It feels more personal.
Yes, and when someone cooks for you, it feels like care, not just food.
That's why people say made with love. It sounds simple, but it means a lot.
And if you cook for someone, you can say, I made this myself.
That sentence always feels a bit proud, and a good way.
Totally. Now, what about fast food? Do you eat it often?
Not often, but sometimes. When I'm tired or in a hurry, fast food is convenient.
Convenient means easy and quick. That's a very useful word.
Yes, and you can say it's convenient, but not very healthy.
Balance, again. A little fast food is okay. Every day, maybe not.
Exactly. No guilt, just balance.
Another common situation is eating late at night. Do you do that?
Sometimes, and then I say, I shouldn't eat this late, but I still do.
Happy classic line. English learners remember this sentence. It's very real.
Very real. And if you're watching a movie, snacks suddenly appear without permission.
Popcorn has magic powers. It shows up and disappears fast.
So true. And when friends come over, food becomes part of the experience.
Yes, you can say, let's grab something to eat before or after hanging out.
Food connects moments, people, and conversations. That's why this topic is so important.
And the more you talk about it, the more confident your English becomes. I really like that idea. Confidence grows when English becomes part of normal life, not just lessons.
Exactly. When you stop translating in your head and just speak, things feel lighter and smoother.
And food talk is perfect for that, because we all eat every day and feel something about it.
Yes, everyone has opinions about food. Even saying, I'm not sure what I want is useful English.
Very true. That sentence helps a lot when you're tired or can't decide.
Another common one is, I'm in the mood for something light or something warm.
Those phrases sound very natural and friendly. Native speakers use them all the time.
And if you're very tired, you can say, I don't feel like cooking today.
That's a great one. It means you don't have the energy or desire to cook.
Then takeaway suddenly becomes your best friend again.
Yes, balance, remember?
Always. Food should fit your life, not fight with it.
I think that's a good message for English, too. Don't fight the language, live with it.
Wow, that sounds like a quote. Maybe we should write it down.
Maybe, but seriously, practice doesn't have to be boring or stressful.
Exactly. Listening to conversations like this helps you feel the rhythm of real English.
And we hope you don't just listen, but also speak, even if it's just to yourself.
Yes, pause the video and repeat sentences or answer our questions out loud.
For example, right now, you can say one sentence about your favorite food.
Or one sentence about what you ate today. Simple, honest, and real.
That's how progress happens, step by step.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying, and trying is good.
Absolutely. Perfect English is not the goal. Clear and confident English is.
And confidence comes with time, patience, and practice.
We're really happy you spent this time with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening and learning with Daily English Flow.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And feel free to share it with someone who is also learning English.
We'll be back with more simple, natural conversations very soon.
Until then, keep practicing, keep listening, and enjoy your English journey.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.
Bye everyone, take care and enjoy your next meal.